Alrighty, thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews. Today we're taking a look at the 2019 Heartland Cyclone. This is the 3713. Come on inside and we'll take a look. As you can see on the exterior here, you have an outside entertainment setup with your barbecue, a nice fridge for beverages, and a TV that swivels out for entertainment out here. And then once you're done with it, slides back in there nicely. This is one of my favorite floor plans as far as entertainment goes. As you can see, there's tons of seating. A lot of these Cyclones just have this couch here. This one, you actually have a nice setup dinette over here with a good amount of counter space. U-shape in the kitchen, which gives you tons of room to work with power all around. 3-burner cooktop with a large Furrion oven. And then I love this sink. Nice farm style open basin sink, big enough to wash your pots and pans. And another big plus in this unit is a very large fridge. And the nice thing about this, commonly with these Norcolds, if it's a large fridge, you don't have the pass-through in the freezer. There's a divider here. This one gives you a full open space, 2 drawers in the bottom. So a very nice unit. And then follow me back here. Back here you have the garage setup. As you can see, it comes with the patio system. These are the steps for your rear patio. Top bunk, the bottom bunk here folds up against the wall also for couches and then can be moved all the way to the ceiling. And then up here you have a ladder that's over here for a loft. And then another cool feature of this unit is you have the bathroom back here, a half bath, but when you're not using it and you need to use your garage, you can slide the door over here and give you that much more room for whatever you have back here. And then a nice TV back here also for entertainment. You can sit on your back patio and watch TV on the inside, and also a washer dryer hookup. Let's go check out the bedroom. So we'll come through here, the restroom first. Nice big shower, tons of storage, a mirrored vanity with storage, shower curtain, and entry from the outside and from the bedroom. Call them Jack and Jill doors. And as you can come through here, you can see nice king size bed, tons of storage across the top, tons of storage over there, huge closet storage on both sides, and then drawers below. And go ahead and follow me outside and we'll take a look out there. And here we are on the exterior. This unit has a ton of storage, basement pass-through. You have outside marine grade speakers, dual awnings, all with LED lighting. And this here is going to be propane storage. And then this here, battery storage. And then a huge basin for more storage. And then this one is going to be your 5500 own generator. And then as you come around this side, is the opposite side of the basement storage. And then all of your water controls and your outside shower and hose. And then over here you can see gray tank number 2 because you have the rear bathroom, and then also hydraulic auto leveling, your roof access ladder, so it's a walkable roof, and then your fuel station so you can fuel up all your toys. Again, thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews. This was the 2019 Heartland Cyclone 3713. If you have any questions or would like to come take a look at it, please give me a call. 541-731-8583. Thank you.